Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to fix OneDrive not syncing in Windows 11. To start, go to your search bar and type down Run. Click on the Run app, then type %local app data %\Microsoft \OneDrive small letters EXE. Now space /reset and hit OK. This option requires OneDrive to be installed via the Microsoft Store or by the computer's manufacturer. If not, try another option. Right-click on the OneDrive application at the bottom right. Make sure Pause Syncing is not active and ensure it's set to Start Syncing. If it's still not working, right-click on it again, click on the gear icon, find Settings, and click on Unlink this PC. Then click on Unlink Account and relink it once more by finding OneDrive, right-clicking on it, and signing in with your OneDrive account. Follow the setup process and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.